For 75 years, FEMA members bring choice, value, and innovation to agriculture.
In 2023, when Farm Equipment magazine was celebrating its 55th year, the editors, Kim and I and our team, announced the Shortline Legends Hall of Fame, a program that would forever give proper due credit to the achievements and influences of individuals from the independent ag equipment manufacturers, the shortliners, before their achievements and memories are lost to the ages. This third class of inductees, you can see here on the slide, each made a permanent dent in the ag equipment universe. I'd ask Janae and Glenn Danuser, or Danuser Machine, to join us in memory of their grandfather, Henry. This is another one of two posthumous awards we have today for Henry. He died in 1975. As they're coming up here, the story of Henry Danuser began with his father, a Swedish immigrant who came to America in 1880 and formed the Danuser Machine Company in Fulton, Missouri. While early products included a tree moving machine and a portable air compressor, he introduced a grain-threshing wagon. Henry was born in 1908 and was blessed with his dad's ingenuity. Henry introduced the first three-point hitch, rear-mounted tractor blade in 1945. That same year, he introduced and mass-produced the nation's first posthole digger. To get the Danuser name out in front of prospective customers throughout the world, Danuser went to Ford Dearborn and GI Case Company. And both of these machinery giants expected to label the blade with their own brands, but Henry demanded that the Danuser name be part of it. And both OEMs eventually caved and agreed to co-brand the product, which permanently put the Danuser name in front of North America's broader ag community. His ability to mass-produce products led to more attachments designed for the ag and industrial markets, and the company expanded dramatically in the 50s. It not only built blades and posthole diggers, but added rakes, box blades, log splitters, hydraulic posthole diggers, earth augers, and so forth, wide array of products. And his clever engineering mind brought many innovations drawn on restaurant napkins and notebooks. He served in 1968 as the chairman of Farm and Industrial Equipment, which later would become AEM. He passed away in 75 at the age of 68, leaving the company in the stead of his son Jerry, a FEMA fixture who also passed away in 2024. Henry was a firm believer in stellar customer service, a legacy that continues with his grandchildren, Janae and Glenn, up here today. And Henry's late son, granddaughter Janae, both served as FEMA presidents, the third from their company to do so. Janae, Glenn, would you like to say a few words?
I just want to say on behalf of the Danuser Machine Company, our family, and our employees, we appreciate this honor and thank you very much.
And for those of you who know me, you know I'm not going to let a correction go by. While I do appreciate the country of Sweden very much, it's a lovely country, we have a Swiss heritage. We're from Switzerland. I do want to echo our appreciation and honor, and also give a personal thanks. While I was not yet 2, and Glenn not yet 4, when our grandfather died, we've learned a lot about him and our company's history through people in this room and from people in our industry. So on behalf of our family, we thank you very much. And although we're both in our 50s, we appreciate our mother, Janet, attempting to chaperone us in Las Vegas.